Okay, guys, well, to start off the video,
Gus is
we
in
just want to let you know that Happy Valentine's Day, and we'll let you watch the video. Let's go. Hey, guys, and me, Matthew, back in another bottle flipping video. I am here with Ethan again.
I showed Eric's mom one of our videos.
So actually,
And
Gus
she
is
thought
right
it
there.
was boring. Yeah, he's right there with my dad. That's who's talking right now.
Okay, remember 5 in a hole?
Oh yeah.
Yeah, in my
What?
video, the first time you actually got 5 in a row. The first
I
time.
did?
Yeah, and you're like, yeah.
One. Okay.
Alright, I can't.
As you can tell, I got worse because
We haven't done a video in a long
Yeah.
time.
Oh yeah. You like me? Oh, let's go. One. No. Remember that one time when I tried to do it with my own bottle and then I failed? One.
Oh, we
Let's
can
go.
look.
Oh. Get it. Come on, Matthew. If you get this on the table, they will have to. Okay,
Nice.
that's one. No, I want 6 in a hole.
Yeah, 6 in a hole. No, 5 in a hole sounds better.
I know, but I want 6 in a hole now. I want my record to be 10 in a hole.
You know
Like-
what my record of bottle flips is?
Come.
Lefty tap!
Did you actually just do that? Like the bottle landed again? Like once it, oh god, that bounced off my leg. My leg. Yeah, from SpongeBob. Comment down below if you
Hi.
like SpongeBob.
Oh yeah, we need to
Like the guy from SpongeBob. Oh, my leg. One.
Ethan, you can get like a lot in a row, but you can land a lot of bottle flips. So
Yeah.
you're good at doing that. And then oh, I knocked it over.
I'm the horrible flipping in a row, but I'm amazing at doing it. Hey-yo! Hey-yo!
Come on, people.
Boo.
Oh,
Boo.
Ethan, I want people.
Go.
People.
I want pizza.
I'm not getting pizza.
Or taco.
We are getting tacos.
Wait, we are?
I think.
No, from like dough. I mean from like taco. Let's make this.
Try to land the bottle flip, but not on it. No, not on it. Just.
Hey-yo!
Just.
Fish hook.
Oh, that was so close.
Fish hook. Wait, remember the other starters wanted that they knew gymnastics?
Oh yeah. All right.
Okay. There you go, Matt. Really? Oh god. Sorry.
Oh, that was so close.
Okay, that was that one time that we almost did it was like incredible. Oh, it's got 2 in the hole.
Thank you.
Why is this so curtainy on this? I don't even know what curtainies are like.
Team the table.
Oh!
On the table.
Look. Wait, should we show?
But they should know that it's landed. There. Look. See, you can see.
Wow. Rest in peace, bottle. Now we're gonna use your dead corpse to land.
Hi.
Ah! Should we bring Gus over? Gus, come on! Release the beast! No. Gus, I think your butt might be in the way, but it's fine.
Gus, can you please?
You're adorable and all.
Please. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah, his butt actually is in the way.
All right, guys.
Can you please turn around? That's not your face. Okay, he's just
Wait, I
walking.
capped it. So I capped it.
Okay,
but he knocked
it's
it over.
us and Gus's butt.
Oh my god.
Okay, now there you go. There you go.
Imagine he knocked over the bottle again.
I actually thought that he was about to knock over the camera.
Oh, right, here's your bottle.
Ow!
Hurry. Okay, guys, so that.
Oh wait, no, this is Valentine's Day edition. We forgot to say.
I know.
And Gus talks us right when we say that.
No.
Gus, you're kind of in the way, but it's, you can just
All right. Well, let's try to land a cap to end off the video.
with Gus in our face.
Exactly.
But it's gonna be very hard because I can't even do it if his face is right
In order
there.
to do a boomerang, I have to do it live.
Oh, that was so
We
close.
both.
Oh yeah. Also,
Boomerang
comment
up,
down
up,
below
okay,
if you still go to school
Gus, look.
and you had a Valentine's Day candy stuff.
Gus,
I
look.
did. And I'm gonna share some with you right now. See, look.
Yo.
Alright.
Ethan, just Ethan.
Okay, after, fine. Jeez.
Okay,
Gus,
guys.
come here.
This is the end of our Valentine's Day edition video, like last second.
Exactly, but Gus is.
Oh no, Gus, no, bad boy. Well, not bad boy, but
Not a
good
bad boy.
You good boy.
Yeah, you good boy.
Ah!
Then you should try to land a cap. Wait, can I try to land a cap with yours?
my bottles are always bad luck.
No, not really.
And here comes the Gus.
All right, try to cap it, Ethan, maybe.
Kamehameha! Balukat. That was close. But I grabbed it. Gus.
Oh my god.
He loves this. He hasn't seen me in such a long time that he acts like he hasn't seen me. Ever. Okay, there we go.
Yeah. Okay, guys, so that will be it for this video. If
No,
you guys.
Valentine's Day edition.
Okay, guys, so that will be it for this video. If you guys enjoyed,
Valentine's Day edition and Gus. Wait, look at Gus real quick.
definitely hit the like button, and I'll see
And
you
Gus
guys
just stole our
in the
bottle,
next one.
Goodbye.
Peace. Okay, guys. Well, to start off the video, we just want to let you know.
Okay, when
Happy Thanksgiving. Okay, guys. Well, to start off the video, we just want to let you know Happy Valentine's Day.
Not Thanksgiving.
Don't say that. Okay, guys. Well, to start off the video,
Ready?
we just want to let you know Happy Valentine's Day.
Good boy.
And we'll let you carry on.
Gus.
Oh wait. Okay, guys. Well, to start off the video, we just want to let you know
Okay, when
Happy Thanksgiving.